Welcome to another beautiful morning here at the Rustic Hideaway. I hope you're enjoying that sunrise as much as I am. As always, we have had a really busy last couple of weeks as we moved on to the next phase of our project, the roof. Up until this point, we had been really busy getting those girders and purlins placed properly because we knew it was only a matter of time before the wind was going to strike hard. Of course, we were itching to get that roof line set up because it just makes it look so much more like a house when you look at it from afar. Now, of course, you know we already have the trusses on the main part of the building, so this portion of the roof was just for the lean-tos on the east and west side of our house. Man, oh man, I cannot believe that just a little over a week ago I was outside in a tank top. Things have certainly changed, as you will soon see. It took Dan and I an entire day to just get the east side lean-tos ready for sheathing, but we eventually got it all done and we were able to move on to the top of the house to get that started first. Well, it's official. It's snowing. We got our first snowstorm of the season. Today is November 2nd. And fortunately, Dan and I were able to get out here last night in the dark after the boys went to bed and tarp off the OSB that we have sitting out in the open and some of the lumber over there. And then the rest of it we pulled inside. It has snow on it, but at least it's covered for the most part. This is only just last today, and then hopefully it'll get nice-ish again. But we were really hoping that the snow would have held off a little bit longer until we could get it tied in. But we'll make do. That's just building in Wyoming. While the beginning of this video may look vastly different than the end of this video, I think they are both equally stunning. I'll see you next time for more adventures in home building.